So now we are going to see how to take pictures for using light painting, right? So the room is very dark. You can see everything is dark. And then I'm going to I'm going to set my shutter speed to 5 seconds. But before I start shooting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my subject is in focus. For that, I need to light the subject. And then I have to focus. I have to focus it properly. So I'm just so since the light is low, I'm not able to focus it in auto. So I'll use manual focus. And then I'll focus the particular object. So I think the object is in focus. So yes, the object is in focus. That's it. I'm going to turn off my light. So I turned off the light. You can see my setting shows 5 seconds. 5 seconds. I put it in manual. So now I'm going to click the picture. So let's see how it turns out, right? In the meantime, I need some kind of light source. So right now I'm just using a laser. So let's see what happens. So yes, this is the photo that we have taken. So let me zoom in a little bit. Can you look at the picture? Can you see the picture? So this is the picture we had taken. So you can see Kakashi is the fighting laser beams. So let's try one more. Right? This time I'm just going to so let's make it little bit darker because I think the picture got overexposed. So let's try and see what happens. Okay, you can see now the pictures are much more better because I just increased the aperture. So let me, sorry, this will be 5. Let me further make aperture 8. Let me make it more narrow and try another picture. Okay, this Kakashi seems much cooler. So now let's try to paint, instead of hitting the light random, let's try to so you can see shutter speed is 5 seconds, aperture is 8, ISO is 100. So now instead of hitting random beams, let's try something a little bit different. Okay, so this time we just try to draw wings or something like that around him. So let's see how it turned out. So can you see this is a lot different from random beams, the previous one. So this gives Kakashi a very evil look. But this is how light painting works, right? So you just need to have slow shutter speeds, like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And then aperture and ISO you can set accordingly. And then you can try and do this, right? So this is how shutter speed light painting works.